What a day. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. It's kind of amazing. We had our own kind of fast charger at the airfield. So it was like we had our own private little oil well. So 1 hour got like a 10% charge. And it's not bad when you're flooring it on an airfield. I mean, the Audi RS6 he had wasted a full fuel tank. But with the Taycan we just plugged it in and charged and raced other cars. So that kind of was very impressive. And yeah, living on the edge here, 61 kilometers range. That fuel pump with a cord attached to it, and 8% battery, but 31 kilometers to a fast charger, thank God. But what happens if it gets dark and the auto headlight goes on? The high beams, like, will the range be cut in two then? Or the Vipers is going on? I already closed the air conditioning to be safe. And the battery here, 8%, it's been going between 9 and 8%, jumping up sometimes, thank God. So 62 kilometers range. And 30 kilometers to a fast charger. Then that thing needs to work, otherwise I have a big problem. But wow, what a car. I mean, 4 people in the Taycan Turbo S, and we just beat the RS6 with 2 persons. Wow. And I mean, ceramic brakes is a must on Taycan Turbo and Turbo S. You cannot have steel brakes with this heavy car. It's not a crime, but yeah, close to it. But yeah, I would wish to have like 600 kilometers range or 800 kilometer range. That would be a lovely car. But with a 300 kilometer range, then it's a challenge for longer trips, that's for sure. But for airfields with an AC outlet, that's great. Lovely. Yeah, I'm really like tired now actually. See, now it's 9%. It was 8% charging before. Anyway, talk to you later.